Here's what you can do to extend the duration of your background music and cover the entire sequence of your video. Alright, let's dive into the problem we're facing. We've got background music playing, but it's too short to cover the entire sequence. In this case, you have two options. Option 1, stretch or duplicate the same song. Option 2, add another song to the mix. First things first, duplicate your audio. Hold down the Alt or Option key and drag it down to a new track. Find the perfect spot in the middle of the audio and mark it by pressing M. Now, simply cut the audio at the marker's position. Next, delete all the other audio except for the first one, and from the second track, delete the first cut. Then bring the second track's audio up to the first track. Duplicate the middle audio to create a loop. To make the transition smoother, let's use a crossfade effect between the audio. Go to the audio transition effects and select constant power. This will give you a nice, seamless transition. However, manually increasing the track length can be a bit tricky to get it just right. Instead, you can use Premiere's AI features. But here's the catch, it's only available on Premiere Pro 2022 and above versions. Now, to extend your audio, you can simply use the Remix tool, which is located under the Rate Stretch tool. When you hover near the edge, you can drag and stretch it out or inward based on your requirements. You'll notice some squiggly lines, which are basically the artificial cuts made by Premiere. If you want more control over this tool, you can head over to the Essential Sound panel. If you can't find it, you can always locate any missing panel from the window menu. Click on the music option and enable the checkbox for duration. Once that's done, you can set your target duration. Premiere Pro will intelligently cut and merge the music seamlessly. However, if you encounter any issues with the transition, you can customize it. For example, you can adjust the number of segments to increase the repeated parts of the track. You can also experiment with variations to achieve a more natural sound.